A very big mining platform. Guys, this project is new and is legit. This is similar to Grass Network, and if you miss mining on NotePay, do not miss out on this project. This is going to be a very good project, and the project is called Pipe Network. This project is backed by Solana, and that makes it one of the good projects that you need to join right away. As at the time of this video is being recorded, guys, this project has 11,700 followers on Twitter, which is easy, and we have a lot of information on this particular project. So guys, I'll be guiding you through the processes on how to mine on this platform. It won't take long and I will not waste much of time on this platform. I will just go straight to the point on this video. But guys, before we move on, if you have any comment about this project, kindly drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Give us like and let us feel happy with this project. So guys, I'll be dropping two links in this video. The first link and the second link is in our Telegram channel. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our Telegram channel, guys. Now the first link, you can copy and paste the link in your Kiwi browser if you are working on mobile. And if you want to do this particular process on your device, on your laptop or desktop, you make use of your normal Chrome browser. It's very simple. Once you copy the link and paste the link, guys, it comes up like this. Now provide your email address in the space provided, your password, then this particular one comes up on its own. Tap on sign up button. Once tap on sign up button, guys, then copy the link again, the second link in your Kiwi browser or your Chrome browser. Put the link in the space provided. Once you put the link in the search bar, you have something like this, guys. You can take your time and read through this. Now that I've done that, the next thing is to click on this place and install this extension on your device. Once you've installed the extension on your device, guys, then you need to run this extension. After you've done that, guys, then open the extension. So once you click on the extension, it comes up like this. Provide your email address here and the password, then click on login button. Once you log in, guys, it comes up like this. Then tap on this open the web app. Tap on open the web app, it comes up like this again. Then this time around, go and click on this login button. Provide your email address and the password in the space provided once more. Now click on sign in button. Once you click on that sign in button, guys, and it comes up like this, tap on this button that says generate refer link. Tap on that button. Once tap on this button, guys, you've generated your refer link. Copy and share this family, friends and social media, then guys, you are good to go. So guys, that is all the simple process on how to join this mining platform. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you not subscribe to this channel, guys, kindly subscribe to this channel, tap the notification icon and select all, so that you're notified when I drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.